How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Muscle Car Central. We've got Larry and his beautiful wife here, and they pulled up in the Ultimate Cruiser, and this thing is beautiful. Larry, walk us through here. What do you have here? What'd you pull up in?
69 Camaro convertible RS. 76,000 miles on it. It's a true RS car.
That's awesome, that's awesome. So walk us through your process of getting this car. How long have you had it? What condition was it like when you got it in? Where'd you get it from?
Well, we bought it at an auction in French Lick, Indiana. It had the rallies on it. We took the rallies off, still original paint, original interior on it. Put new foam in the seats, new dash pad, vintage air on it, but we try to keep it back to original as much as we could.
Well, it's definitely beautiful. I mean, you and Sean were out here talking and comparing all the original stuff that's on this car, and it's crazy how your 50-plus-year-old car still has all this original stuff and looks this good. I mean, you really have one-of-a-kind car.
Thank you.
You really do. So what do we have here? This is what, a 350?
350.
And this is the original RS car.
This is original RS car. We haven't changed anything on the motor. I just dolled it up a little bit. We put vintage air on it. But if you can tell, most vintage airs, they put the plate back here. We put the original box back on it and to make it look original.
Sean and you were talking. Now this is something that you guys purchased. Is this more her car or your car? What's the status on it? Who's usually cruising it?
It's going to Cruising the Coast this year. We both drive it. She drives as much as I do.
Let's check out this interior. What do we have here? You guys were saying it's what, standard interior? Is it dark blue?
It's a dark blue, original door panels. The seats, they was tore right here, but these are original seats. We had them redone at Auto Customs.
That's awesome.
And new padding in it. We got it from here. Oak grain on the console, but that's all original.
That's awesome. So when you guys pulled up in it, it sounded pretty throaty. I mean, what kind of exhaust do you have on? Is it original, or do you guys do anything with the exhaust?
No, this is original. There was a guy that had a 69 Camaro in Bowling Green, and he had it certified, and they told him that exhaust was what had come on it, on one, but it wasn't exact. So he took it off. I bought it from him. When I bought this one, it had little tailpipes on it, about 1.25 inches, inch and a half. This is original system that we put on it.
Well, it sounds throaty. I mean, it's opened it up. I mean, it fired up. I was like, man, that's a good sounding car. Well, we really appreciate it, Larry. We thank you for bringing the car around. You guys have a beautiful car here.
And y'all been great help here. We're what, 20 miles from here?
We've been dealing with you for years. We love Camaro Central.
There it is, Larry's beautiful convertible. Larry and his wife, they've got an awesome car. Thank you guys for bringing it in, and we will see you guys on the next one.
Thank you very much.